What if I told you that for the first time in more than 50 years, humans are about to leave low Earth orbit again? Not robots, not probes, real astronauts. They're going farther than the International Space Station, farther than any human has gone since 1972. This mission is called Artemis II, and it's not just a moon mission. It's the beginning of humanity's next era in space. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Artemis II could change our future on the moon, Mars, and beyond. Let's go back for a moment. In 1972, Apollo 17 landed on the moon. After that, humans never went back. Not because we couldn't, but because priorities changed. Governments focused on Earth. Budgets were cut. The Cold War ended. But space didn't stop calling us. And now, more than half a century later, NASA launched a new program called Artemis. Why Artemis? In Greek mythology, Apollo equals god Artemis equals goddess of the moon, and also Apollo's twin sister. Symbolically, Artemis represents the next chapter, not a repeat. Let's be very clear. Artemis II is not a moon landing mission. Instead, it is a crewed test flight. The main goals are to test NASA's new spacecraft Orion, to test the Space Launch System SLS rocket, to send astronauts around the moon and bring them safely back to Earth. This mission will take humans beyond a low Earth orbit, around the moon and back home, something no human has done since Apollo 13. Artemis Flight has 4 astronauts. They are not celebrities. They are not tourists. They are test pilots, engineers, scientists. They're risking their lives to test systems before future moon landings. Why does this matter? Because Artemis II will land astronauts on the moon. And Artemis II must prove life support works, navigation works, communication works. Heat shield survives re-entry. Humans can handle deep space again. If Artemis II fails, everything stops. That's how serious this mission is. Let's talk about Orion. Orion is NASA's most advanced human spacecraft ever built. Compared to Apollo's stronger heat shield, modern computers, advanced navigation can support longer missions, built for deep space, not just the moon. Apollo missions lasted days. Orion is designed for weeks, months, even Mars missions in the future. Artemis II will be Orion's first mission with humans on board. Every button press, every breath, every system will be tested in real deep space. Here's how Artemis II will unfold. Launch from Kennedy Space Center using the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built. Travel through Earth orbit. Astronauts check systems, communication, life support. Head toward the moon, leaving Earth's gravity behind. Fly around the moon, not landing, just orbiting and looping around it. Return to Earth at speeds hotter than the surface of the sun. The heat shield will face temperatures over 2,700 degrees Celsius. This is one of the most dangerous parts. Let's be honest, space is not safe. No rescue mission, no roadside help, no second chances. If something goes wrong, astronauts are alone millions of kilometers from Earth. NASA knows this. That's why Artemis II exists. It's better to take risks now than during a moon landing later. Every risk they take protects future astronauts. You might ask, why go back to the moon at all? Because the moon is a testing ground, a science laboratory, a launch pad to Mars. NASA plans to build a long-term lunar presence, study water ice at the South Pole, use moon resources for fuel and oxygen. This isn't a visit. It's the beginning of staying. This mission isn't just for astronauts. It impacts technology on Earth, medicine, communication, materials science, global inspiration, past memory foam, satellites, all came from space programs. Artemis II is an investment in humanity's future after Artemis II, Artemis III moon landing, Artemis 4 and 5 lunar base, Mars missions, human future on another planet. Artemis II is the bridge. Without it, there is no moon base, no Mars mission, no multiplanetary humanity. Think about this. Humans evolved on Earth, but we were never meant to stay in complete forever. Every time we explored, we served it with a lust. We grew. Artemis is not about flags, not about politics. It's about courage. For we humans, trusting science, trusting engineers, trusting humanity, as they travel into the darkness of space and come back with hope. If you love space, love space. If you believe humanity belongs among the stars, hit like, subscribe for real science, and comment. Do you think humans should live on the moon? Watch my next video where I explain what will happen when humans land again.